Hi everyone. So let's do the Leetcode problem number 424, longest repeating character replacement. You are given a string as an integer k. You can choose any character of the string and change it to any other subcase English character. You can perform this operation at the most k times. We have to return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing the above operations. So let's go to the whiteboard and see the example. So if we have the string containing AB and the k is 2, so at the most we can replace two characters and get the max and get the longest repeating characters. So in this example we are replacing, we can have two option. If the first is we can replace a to b and make it bb bb, the output with the max length would be the 4. The other is we can replace b to a the 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 character would be a, the max length would be 4. So how to do this problem? The brute force would be like running many for loops and it would take so much of time. So we would run like for loop keeping that starting from a, then we would start from b, then we would start from a, then b. So it would take so much of time. So the best approach would be like to take the sliding window technique. So in this way we have to we have the fixed size of window, and we would traverse the string till we get the maximum replace character. So let's take the same example, ab and the window size is 2. We would simply create the frequency map of the string, and so for this and the formula is character needs to be changed is equal to size minus max length. We would window size minus max length. If the window size exceeds the size of k, we would simply reduce the character and find the max length. So for this the time complexity would be big of n. We are just traversing the whole string in one pass. So so this is the basic formula. We would track the window size and the maximum frequency. If it exceeds by k, if it exceeds by k, we would just reduce the window size. So let's go and code this. So we would define a variable called max length first. Max window and left, we would run the for loop. First we would get the frequency. So to store the frequency we would create the array of 26 number. So after updating the frequency, we would find the max length. By comparing the max length and the uh, element current count of the element, and we would find the window size. We would just remove the left. We would just remove the first starting element from the window, and we would make the count of left plus 1. Then again we would calculate the window size. Why we are doing plus 1? Because the array is 0 indexed. So let's run this program and see if there is any error. Yeah, it should be single quoted. So yeah, it got accepted. Now let's submit the code. Okay, it run. So the time complexity is big of n and the space complexity is constant, because we are just using the constant number of frequency map. So thanks for the watching. Please subscribe the channel. It would be much helpful for me. Thank you.